Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Now here's the bouquet. Tropical orchids, loose and informal. Good for the beach, good for the tropics, or just because you love orchids, especially phalaenopsis or moth orchids. I want to show you a design that you might think or might consider for a potential way of providing a little bit of continuity from your bouquets into something that's tropical for your tables. You might even be having a buffet table and you just want one special thing. Let me just walk you through it. I have this large brandy balloon vase. Yeah, I've seen these all over Amazon. In fact, there's lots of places where you can get these. Make sure that it's pristine clean before you begin. The first thing I want to do is, I hope I can get this right again, it all worked when I was practicing it. We used willow in the bouquet, so I'm going to bring the willow down and into there. Now the general rule of thumb is you don't have to use all of the flowers at all. You just don't have to do that. As long as you've got continuity and you've got a little bit of follow through. So we used this in the design, so I'm going to use it now. We also used this lovely bit of trailing artificial something. I don't know what it is, but I thought it was, it's like a philodendron, but it's really lovely shape. So I thought that would be very nice to use. Now I've got some beautiful green orchids. I'm going to bring those down and into the base of my jar. So it's going to be an inside-outside arrangement. So that orchid's floating that way. I'm just going to bring this one, which I've cut, and I'm going to bring it down and into there, like so, so that we've got this little lovely ring of beautiful, gentle green down the bottom. The next to go, I might put one of these in. The next to go in is going to be another one of these, and I'm just going to lift that. Oh, and very quietly, please God, please botanical gods, help me make this work nicely. Now I want to put that down and into there, and I don't really want to cut that stem because I've got the willow up the top here, and the branches of the orchids actually are another lovely line or branch, for want of another word, that actually connects them with the movement up here and what's happening down there. The next to go in is going to be this philo, or yeah, and I'm just going to bring that down and into there like so, and then that can just bend and fall over the other side. So I've got leaves inside and I've got leaves on the outside. Now some of the leaves are just thinking that they want to just point down, which I don't want them to do, so I'll just leave those like that for now. Right, I've got a magic ingredient and I've just got to get it, so give me 1 second to whip to my back bench and get it. One moment. And I'm back. I've got water and I've got this beautiful tropical plant. So what I did was I took it out of the soil and cleaned really well all of those lovely little roots that are around the side, down the base here, and I'm going to bring that down and into my arrangement so that sits there, and you might need to get your hand into there and just move those around. Oh, look at that, look. Oh, it's better than I imagined. Now I've got a couple of little bits of those little, see how I've got those little weedy bits on there? Don't worry about those because that just adds a little bit more texture and interest. If you don't want it, you can take it off, but I quite like those little natural bits because, as I keep saying all the time, nothing in nature is perfect, so don't beat yourself up. But look at what's happening into here. Oh, this is looking very tropical. Right, I could have used the croton because I did have these in the bouquet, but I felt that I wanted to have the emphasis on the green and the orchids. The next to go in are going to be these beautiful orchids, which I'm going to put on the top to just rest on top of those flowers. Oh, look at this. It's better. Just want you to know this is better than my practice. Whew, I love it when that happens. And you could have these going on both sides, but I just felt that I wanted those to just just like falling out. The next is very gently just fill this with a little bit of water. You could put little pebbles down there if you wanted to, but I just want it to have a little bit of water in here. And I might just add, I'm going to share something that I did a number of years ago. I had a wedding to do similar to this for a girl, and she wanted goldfish. Well, I want you to know that I thought that having the goldfish in amongst the flowers was just a little bit wrong. But anyway, I prayed and prayed and prayed that the little fish would be okay, and I was in there at 1 in the morning to get the fish out, to gently bring them home to put into the pond. So there you have a beautiful way of providing gorgeous flowers for your wedding table. I quite like this, and for those of you like me who love orchids, just because this could be a beautiful arrangement. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I hope I've been of assistance. I will see you all again another day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.